Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to make basic lists and basic inputs. Okay guys, so here now we're going to learn a little bit about the input. So here I'm showing you a few types of input. Now here is the input that you make typing in just input without anything. You can type for pretty much ever. I believe it's 3,000 something characters that you can put in here. Now the next one, I've added, after the input, I added max length equals dialog mark 5, which makes it that I can only type in 5 characters. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we cannot do any more. Unlike here, if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can keep on going forever. Now here, as you can see, there's already something in here. Even if we would to reset the code, there's already something there, because that's the value element, which makes it that something will be already there, which it's pretty cool, but the placeholder is even better because you do not, here you have to delete it all to keep on typing, but here you do not have to delete because it is a placeholder, and to do that all you write is placeholder equals the dialog mark and then your placeholder. Now if we combine all of these together, our input will look like this. Now even though there is a max length of 5, it is already there. Now if we get rid of some, as you can see, we cannot do it, but because the code is forcing it to do that, it does it. So now we delete that, and as you can see, it says like there, and we can only type in 5 things, as you can see. So now I'm going to show you how to make a basic list. So now here is where you can choose, because in your carrots, of course, you can write OL, which will make an order list, which basically makes it that there is a point, like for example 1, or you can choose to do UL, which stands for unordered list, which if you do something, it will do as a dot. So now, I'm, for the example, going to go with a unordered list. So we type in UL, then it does that. Then, to make it just clean, press enter 2 times so it makes a little hole there. Then, again, type in LI, which is pretty much just list, and then here you can type in what you want to list on your unordered list. So just type anything in there, and then you can do it on and on for pretty much ever. Just that note that it will be going in, of course, what type you made it to. Now you can also make just dots on their own by just typing in Lee and not doing anything in there. As you can see, they are just dots that are there, which can come in handy in decoration of your site, which I am going to show you right now. Okay guys, so I've added a little bit more of those lists, and as you can see, they look pretty good as for decoration. Now we can also make them on the right by adding in the text align at the UL right there. We do style equals text align. Now I taught you this, I believe, on the last CSS tutorial. So let's do text align right. Now that will not work because we would have to add it to all of those lists, but that will take a little bit too much time. Now, also, just know that the version that the new HTML might be coming out. I am right now on HTML, classic HTML. So on HTML5, it might work or it might not work. So guys, you probably are wondering why I chose to today teach you the input and list. That is because, in my opinion, they go together pretty well. For example, here we have a list of what to fill out, and also we can also do input type. And here I did password. So now here it does it dots. And here I made it that it's maximum 15. As you can see. Here I made it a password. And here I made it infinite. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.